Hi guys. Today we're going to do a few things. The first is you'll take a quiz in Blackboard that wraps up the last part of chapter 2 in the textbook. So the quiz is on Mastery Tests 1 and 6. You'll find this on pages 69 and 79 in chapter 2 of the textbook, Groundwork for College Reading. This presentation is going to be very short because we already went through these items, these homework items, last time during our Collaborate session. So I'm just going to give you a quick refresher on what to expect on the quiz. So you'll see questions to do with Mastery Test 1 Part A, which is on page 69. And for that one, you'll see certain vowel sounds like short A sound or long E sound, and you'll have to choose the word that uses that sound. For example, sand has a short A sound and tree has a long E sound. And it's just like the homework, so if you did the homework, it should be super easy. All right, Mastery Test 1, Part B. So again, this is right out of the book. They give us 3 of the rules for long vowel sounds: the silent E rule, the 2 vowels together rule, and the final single vowel. You'll see one of these rules along with an explanation like silent E and the O is long and the A is silent. You'll need to choose the word that follows that rule and description. So like for the words rope, nose, or broke, you'll have an O being long and an E being silent, right? So that, this is a little mistake that I made. It should say the E is silent. Forgive me for that. But if you had a word like, say, coat or boat or goal, for those, that would be the 2 vowels together rule where the O would be long and the A would be silent, okay? All right. So I kind of flipped it around from the homework. In the homework, they give you the word and they want you to provide the rule and the explanation. You'll see that it's presented with the rule and the explanation on the left, and then you match the words, right? All right, Mastery Test 6. This is on page 79. Part A of this was a paragraph to do with the burrowing owl. And this one was about recognizing words with short vowel sounds. So you'll read the passage about burrowing owls, and I think I split it into two questions, right? And there are a few blanks and several word choices. You'll choose the words with the short vowel sounds, and I sort of grouped these. So like the first part of it, you'll see a few sentences with a few blanks, I think 3 blanks, and then you'll choose the choices will be like 3 sets of words for the 3 blanks. So you need to choose the set all short vowel sounds, okay? And then Mastery Test 6 Part B, that's also on page 79 in the book. And again, we went over this last time on our Collaborate session. Consider the 5 vowel rules. So you'll see that they've created 5 categories. There's a paragraph that's about fishing and overfishing in different parts of the world. And then they've got a bunch of words that they've put in boldface. And then they have these 5 categories, which are different vowel rules, like silent E rule, short vowel rule, final single vowel rule, 2 vowels together rule, that kind of thing. And then what they want you to do is take those bold-faced words and place them into those 5 categories. So I may have like arranged it slightly differently in the question, but it's the same concept. And then just a reminder about vowels followed by R. If you have words like can and car, you'll notice that in order to pronounce that R, the vowel sound changes. So can is a short A sound, Cane would be a long A sound, but car is neither. It's sort of in between, right? So words like car, her, stir, cord, and fur are examples of the vowels followed by our rule. And if you want to review the rule, it's explained on page 58 in the textbook. When R follows a vowel, it changes the sound of the vowel. And I just bring that up because that is one of the 5 rules that you're going to see in Part B of Mastery Test 6, the item that's about fishing and overfishing. All right, and then after the quiz, I mean, usually I have you watch a longer presentation first and then do a quiz, but in this case, because we already went through all of this, this was homework from last time and we went through it last time, you'll do the quiz first, right? So after the quiz, you'll watch a longer video presentation I'm going to provide you with that will be about chapter 6 syllables, right? And I assigned a few pages, not chapter 6, forgive me, chapter 3 syllables. And you'll see that I asked you guys last time to read a few pages from this chapter, just the first few pages, and to work on practice practice 1, practice 2, and practice 3. So that's what the content in the presentation today will be about. And then other than that, I just want to say thank you so much for your engagement and your participation. I love the fact that you guys are doing your discussion board posts. I love it when you guys communicate with your peers. So remember to get full credit on those posts. You should compose your own post, but then also read what other people are writing and write a reply to at least one other person. I love when I see that. And I love seeing you guys come out to the Collaborate session. It's definitely to your advantage because we go over the homework, right? And if you do the homework and then you're there when we go over it, guess what? The quiz is going to be super easy. Um, all right. Well, anyway, thank you for all your hard work and I'll see you soon.